Got it out. Look. 2014 Ram 1500. Water is leaking into the back seat here. It's coming from these cab vents. There's been a redesign. I'm gonna remount this. When I took this off, this was just hanging here. I'm guessing somebody's been in here and took it off. You can see this is also off. That was unplugged. I don't know why. I plugged it back in. We'll scan it and see what's going on with all of that. Right now, I'm just gonna try to mount these back on just so it's not hanging and eventually tear the wires. All right, so these, oh, it's missing all the vents too. It's supposed to have these flaps on it. I think the labor calls for removing the bed, but I saw somebody say they were able to change them from here, so got it out. Look. So water will come in, sit on this, pull, and then drip inside here. All of this was soaked. I did have to remove the back seats. 18 millimeter, two 18s per side, and a 14 if I'm not mistaken. When I get ready to put it back on, I'll show you guys. This is the new one. You can see the redesign. The seal is a little bit tighter and the flaps are different. Hopefully they'll last longer. I'm just gonna clean this where it sits. This truck's pretty clean. It's low mileage. So if you try this, yours might be worse. These are just alcohol wipes. You want to make sure that these flaps stay down, because if you put it backwards, you'll be in the same boat. And don't drop it. And that's it. We'll move to the other side and do that one. You can see all of these flaps are missing too, so who knows? Road noise and more water was probably coming in. All right, passenger side, same thing here. Push these 3 tabs. Push it out. Oh, this one fell apart. This one was also missing a bunch of the little flaps, and the seal was shot. All right, so just clean this up again. Get the new one. Make sure we put it the right way. And that's it. Good to go. So if you're getting water in your back seat, check these cab seals, but just pull off one of the back seats and check them. If you have the old design, they're probably leaking, or see if the flaps are missing. I think these are missing clips. I'm gonna see if I have any to replace them. I didn't take them off, but if not, I mean, the seat will hold it in place. Okay, before we put the seats on, we gotta put these. This is for the car seat. These have Loctite, so some of them might go in a little bit hard. This seat has these little guides. You basically just pick the seat up and then it slides into these hooks to hold the back, and then we bolt in the floor.
I might take offense if you tell me that you doubt it. It's just what it is, yeah, I'm known to make it rowdy. Then I'm for the fit, and I drive a wide body. Who you know, but like this, nobody. Can't go slow, I gotta hit that body. I'm the top, but the top, I can't never take a break. Yeah, I'm hot, and you not, that's why all my records bang. Oh, it's been a long, hard road, gotta go home. Yeah.
So yours may or may not have this cover here. This one also has the subwoofer that goes under the seat.
I went too crazy. Better take that knee and kiss my ring, cause I be royalty. Everywhere I go, my scene, and they be hating. That's such a lame thing. Yeah, y'all be lame teams. I could never ever go outside like that. Yeah, my people got my back, and I know that that's a fact. So I won't worry about a thing. I'm gonna keep on burning trades. Do you get what I mean? I got faith in my dream. Oh, it's been a long, hard road. Gotta go home. Yeah. Oh, and I know that I'm gonna keep going. Yeah.
This was just sitting here. I don't know if it's supposed to mount somewhere, but it was just there. All right, this one's done. So just 18 right here, 13 millimeter on those, and the 218s in the back. You pick the seat up, and then back there is just the car seat straps that are left, and then you can pull that little panel down, and that's it. Hopefully no more water in the back seat.